Gonna make this a little bit more flush. Yep, in the back. I think it's 7 in the front, 14 millimeter in the back, I think. I'm not even sure anymore. It's been a while. But go check out the front. So you can see it definitely needs a little poking out. By the way, these are the tools that I rock with. You got your impact wrench, torque wrench, 5mm hex, a little wire brush, and a little racing stand, racing jack. $14. Got one of these. This actually came with the spacer kit, so this actually bolts on here, so that way you get your wheel without having to struggle, like so. You gotta line that bolt, make sure it's nice and flush. Get your 5mm hex and twist away. Nice and snug. It's not going anywhere. Boom. Now all I do is actually get this in. Match this hole to the tire, like so. So I'll say this is the before and after. Right, front wheel, back wheel. All right, and then after, what it looks like. Back wheel, and front wheel. Just needs a tiny drop, maybe about ½ inch or so, and should be good to go.